So starting off my morning, I just head into the bathroom, and by the way, I'm in an apartment right now, like I said in the beginning, and then I put my hair up to get it out of my face and brush my teeth and wash my face. And I'm not going to go into depth that much, but if you guys want a morning routine, just like this video or leave it down below. I don't really wear that much makeup to the beach, but now I'm just taking my waterproof concealer from Benefit and blending it in with my beauty blender. I'm now taking my setting spray to just set my concealer so it stays in place and stays on, and then I'm just taking my waterproof mascara from Smashbox and putting a little bit on my upper lash line and waterline. And that is all the makeup. Now moving on to hair, I'm just simply brushing it out and taking a small section of my hair and brushing that out, and then I'm French braiding it to my side. And if you guys don't know what French braiding is basically normal braiding, but each time you take a small section of your hair and add it into the braid. And that is the finished hair. Now moving on to my outfit, I don't think that Nike Pros and a t-shirt would work for the beach, so I'm just taking my high neck romper with my swimming suit under and my sunglasses, which I lost in the ocean after filming. Then I just slip on my flip-flops and grab my beach bag, then I'm out the door.
Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!